I thought you give it to us for free.
Yes.
Do we give them just a Coke then?
Ah, kasama. Sprite lang. Ano Sprite malaki? 1.5?
Kasama.
Ah, kasama. Yeah, 1.
Just Coke?
Wala nang laman ah.
Wala na. Isang araw pa akong 3,000.
That's for me, thank you.
100.
Free? Is that free?
No. Kailangan ng
English iwas eh.
Yes. 1 million.
Scott, what's your name?
No. My name are my name Samuel.
Samuel? What did he say, 29?
Yeah.
Huh?
$99.
One piece.
One's money. One's money.
There you go, sir. Thank you.
600.
Play a piso.
Ayan, ang nakuha na is Sting.
Sabi ka dyan!
We're not much helpers just standing around. They don't bring it in.
Yeah.
Come, you guys don't carry this stuff or what? Not just too heavy for you?
Sting at saka Mountain Dew.
What's your name?
Sprite.
Oo, walang... Asaan yung Mountain Dew?
Bro. Ito daw.
Ito. So, mamaya meron na kayong deliver? Kailan? Hindi pa na magkano mabenta yung Sprite for Jesus
Oh,
name.
you
Mabenta.
forgot?
Yeah.
How come you forgot?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank
guys,
you.
have a great day.
Bye. Next time.
Adios, amigos.
Next time.
Adios, amigos.
Yes. What's your name? What's your name?
What's my name? I don't know. She only knows.
Okay. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome back po sa ating channel. So for today's video, ito lang yung mating yung aking delivery. Wala pa silang stock ng Coke. So kaya Sprite lang muna at saka iyan. Kasi itsura ng ating mga paninda. So mamaya siguro pupunta tayo sa ibang store. Maghanap tayo ng Coke na available doon sa ibang store. So ayan. Ayun, you can do put there.
Yes, ma'am. My job.
I'm not finished my
Tyree's job is to start the chili.
na thank you for that helping.
Huh?
Yes,
So the Cold Mountain Dew is this one. Honey, I'm gonna go back inside. What do you think?
need to get this on.
Oh, I don't need to do
Ah.
that. It's kinda hurt for both of us to be doing this.
Guys, so yun guys, ang aming ganap po today this morning. Ang inaantay ko lang ng delivery galing sa inaantay nating delivery galing sa ating kuhanan ng soft drinks kasi lang wala silang Coke. Grabe siguro ang mabenta ngayon kasi sobrang init dito. So ayan lang, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood hanggang sa muli. See you my next vlog at hindi pa ako tapos mag-linis. Ayun mga kasali. Malapit na akong matapos. Pagkatapos nito, ako ay maligo na. Ayan. Thank you for that.
You like his name? Slave work.
Guys, ito na po yung aking nilagay ni Dudong yung Sprite. Ayan, lahat yan. Yun lang pong available natin for today's vlog. Ayan. Ay, napakainit ng araw na ito. Napakainit guys. So, ayan. Thank you so much again. Bye. See you in my next vlog.